Every day, we're told to think big, to chase the extraordinary. But what if I told you the secret to becoming better isn't about taking massive leaps? It's about taking tiny steps. It's called the 1% rule. The 1% rule is simple. Focus on being 1% better today than you were yesterday. It's not about overhauling your life in one go. It's about small, consistent actions that compound over time. Imagine this. If you improve just by 1% every day, by the end of the year, you wouldn't be just 365% better. You'd be over 37 times better. That's the power of compounding. So how do you start? Pick one small thing. Want to get healthier? Drink an extra glass of water today. Want to learn a new skill? Spend 5 minutes practicing. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be done. We often think big changes require effort, but the truth is, it's the small habits repeated daily that shape who we become. The big wins? They're just the result of all the tiny wins stacked together. You don't have to change your life today. You just have to be a little better than yesterday. Start small, stay consistent, because small changes lead to big transformations.